we are on a nature trail looking for animals, but we can see horse prints, but we can't see any. And we're around some grass, and we're hoping to see rabbits.
Yeah, and
but we can't see any.
What did we see on the pond, Luke? Can you remember what we called those?
We saw and the little creatures that can walk on the water.
Can we remember what they were called? Can you remember, Luke?
Pond skaters.
Skaters, that's right, pond skaters. Brilliant.
We are on a path that goes past some grass, and we're hoping to see rabbits, and we're going up a hill, and we're going to see if it leads back to the car.
Okay, brilliant. It is a steep hill. You keep going then.
Out and up.
Keep going, nature spotters. Can you explain what that is, Luke?
Somebody eaten the pine cone.
Did it? And it left that? Just like you leave an apple core when you eat an apple. The squirrel's eaten all the bits, all the seeds out of the pine cone and just left the middle bit. Is that really clever? Yeah, should we keep it?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, we're on our walk and I've lost Jake and Luke. I don't know where they are at all. Oh no, that sounds scary. Oh no! Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's monsters! Oh, I'm frightened. Ah, no, there's two of them.
Stop!
Oh.
Stop!
Oh, run away!
Stop!
But it's chasing me! It's chasing me! It's chasing me! Ah! And here we are in Blidworth Woods, and remarkably, here you can find monkeys. Here we have two juvenile male monkeys, and they're grooming each other. Now, we have to be very careful around monkeys like this because they're actually very, very naughty and they might chase after me. Oh no, I think they've spotted me. I'm a bit worried now. Oh no, here they come. Quickly, I'm going to have to run. And springtime is a very important time of the year for the young monkeys. It's when they first leave their mummies and go out to find their own food. And as ever, the trees of the forest are a valuable source of fantastic nutrition. Here we've got two young males, and they're looking around the forest for some lovely, delicious food. Let's follow them, but we have to be very quiet. Let's see what these monkeys are doing. Oh, I think this young male here has smelt something. What's he got? Oh, I think he's found a fruit bar. Wow, who'd have thought a fruit bar tree in this forest? And he's going to tell the other male. The other male has detected the scent of the fruit bar, and he's going to see if there's some for him too. Hear him sniffing. He's caught the scent.
What now?
These remarkable monkeys have an incredible sense of smell. Let's hope there's enough for everybody. We don't want a fight to break out. We're lucky. Today there's enough food for everybody, so there's no need to fight.